Hey everyone, it's Evgenia. I hope you're all doing well. I know that this has been a challenging time for our roots and our ends, but I just want to let you know that we at eFox Hair appreciate all of your patience and support. We miss you guys, and we absolutely cannot wait to get back into the salon and see all your beautiful faces and take care of all your hair needs. So thank you. So today I'm going to be showing you how to do a loose wave. Now, I don't know about you, but for me during this quarantine time, I've just kind of been washing my hair and letting it air dry. Now, for the average person, it is probably not their best hair look. So you can see for me, my hair is just kind of flat, just kind of hanging there, not really doing much. My ends are fuzzy. Now, a haircut could solve some of that issue, but so will a little bit of heat. Now, with that being said, do not blast your irons, but we'll get into that a little bit later. So here are some of the things you're gonna need for this look. Now, to start with, you wanna have a product that has thermal protection in it. It is very important to protect your hair from the heat because you wanna make sure you are creating a barrier between your hot tool and your hair to avoid any long-term heat damage and having to cut more hair than you want to. So for me, I used some Kevin Murphy Smooth Again. Now that is going to protect my hair from frizz and most importantly, heat. Now every product applies different. Some apply on wet hair, some apply on dry hair. This one in particular, you apply on wet, damp hair, and for me, I applied it from my mids to ends, and then whatever I had left, I put it all through my roots. Afterwards, you want to brush your hair to make sure that the product distributes evenly. Now the next thing we're going to need are some clips. Depending on how much hair you have, you might need one, you might need two, you might need three. Now clips are important because it's going to help you be a little bit more organized. You're going to see your sections clearer. You're going to avoid picking up what's already curled, and you're going to get your job done faster. The next thing we're going to need, of course, is our curling irons. So here is my Hot Tools iron. It is 1.25 inch size barrel. Now you don't want to use anything less than 1 inch because we are looking for a loose wave, and anything less than 1 inch might be just a little too tight. Now the next important thing about our iron is the heat setting. You do not want to be blasting your hair at full heat. You want to range your temperature according to your hair type. Fine, medium, or coarse. So for the first time you do this look, drop it down a notch, see how long your waves last, and the next time you do it, adjust your temperature either up or down until you figure out what is the right heat setting for your hair type. So I'm going to plug this guy in and we are going to change up our quarantine look. I have parted my hair into two sections. Next, I will be taking a vertical section, and as you can see, I am taking a pretty large chunk of hair as well as wrapping it away from my face. I'm wrapping the hair around the barrel and holding it in place for 5 to 8 seconds. I did speed up this part of the video, but I will also be slowing it down so we can have a better look. Once I feel like my hair is taking its new form, I'm going to twist the hair and repeat the process. When I get to the ends, I'm going to slightly loosen my grip and glide the iron down my hair. You want to glide the iron almost as if you are flat ironing, but with a light twist. This is going to make your hair look longer and give you that loose, relaxed wave. Let's slow it down so we can get a closer look. With the barrel turning away from my face, I am wrapping the hair around the barrel, letting it sit for 5 to 8 seconds. Next, I'm going to twist the iron under my hair, rewrap, Hold it in place for another 5 to 8 seconds. Twist again and slide. If you have longer hair, you will need to keep repeating this process until you get to the ends. It is extremely important to leave your waves alone. Avoid touching them and let them cool down. Letting the hair rest for a few minutes will set the hair and give you that long-lasting look. So now that my hair is cooled down, I did go ahead and separate it. I apologize. I did not realize it was not recording. It is my first video, but very simple. What you want to do is I just took my fingers and I used them as a brush. You want to separate all those swirls, and you can kind of mess it up, move your hair around until you're satisfied. And if you want to put a little bit of product in there, a little bit of texturizing spray, it's totally up to you. But here is the final look. Thank you so much for watching. Good luck. Do not give up. Remember, practice makes perfect.